In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add games to your Wix website. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to log into your Wix account. If you don't have an account yet, it's easy to create one. Just follow their simple sign-up process, and you'll be ready to go in no time. Once logged in, head over to your site editor. This is where all the magic happens and where we'll be making the changes to your website. Now with your editor open, you're ready to start adding some fun and engaging content. Look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a search icon. Click on that, and in the search bar, type in Games. You'll notice that a selection of games appears. These include options like pop-up games, Crossfire, Chicken, and various action strategy games. Don't worry if you're unfamiliar with some of these names. Each game provides a unique opportunity to engage your site visitors and keep them on your page longer. If you find a game that you think fits perfectly with the theme or purpose of your website, just click on it. Once you've made your selection, simply click Add to Site. This will incorporate the game into your website so that visitors can enjoy it directly from your page. But that's not all. If you're looking for even more variety, simply type Gamify into the search bar. This will bring up additional options such as the popular Spin Wheel game. These gamification elements are a great way to add interactivity and incentivize visitors to explore more of what your site has to offer. And just like that, you've successfully added games to your Wix website. With a few clicks, you've not only enhanced its appeal, but also provided a dynamic element that can help increase visitor engagement. Remember, offering interactive content like games can significantly boost the user experience, making visitors more likely to stay longer and return more frequently. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We love hearing your feedback, and it's a great way to stay updated on all our latest content designed to make your web design journey smooth and enjoyable. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your website.